Hello, welcome to another edition of Maths with Chris, and today we are trying to solve this cycle theorem question. In the diagram below, calculate the values of x and y. You recall from cycle theorem that opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. The opposite angle, that is, if I add this and this that are opposite each other, is supposed to be equal to 180. That is, I can have 2x plus 40, 2x plus 40 plus 2y plus 10 should be equal to 180. If I collect like terms here, I will have 2x plus 2y, 40 plus 10, that will give me 50, is equal to 180. Then I can have 2x plus 2y is equal to 180 minus 50. Then in that case, I will have 2x plus 2y is equal to 150. Is equal to 130. Now, I discovered that 2 can divide through all these values. So I can reduce it. It's not compulsory, but to make the work to be easier, you can reduce by 2. If I divide through by 2, I will have x plus y is equal to 130 divided by 2. Then in that case, I will have x plus y is equal to 65. Call this one equation 1. Now, also recall from cycle theorem that angle at the center is twice angle at any part of the remaining circumference. This angle at the center should be 2 times the angle at the circumference. Then in that case, I will have 5x minus 35 supposed to be equal to 2 times the angle that is here, 2y plus 10. Then if I simplify this further, I will have 5x minus 35 is equal to 4y plus 20. Collecting like terms, that will be 5x. This will come here to be minus 4y is equal to 20. This will go there to be plus 35. Then in that case, I will have 5x minus 4y is equal to 55. Call this one equation 2. Bringing the two equations together and solve simultaneously. This is equation 1. You have x plus y is equal to 65, equation 1. Then 5x minus 4y is equal to 55, equation 2. Let's assume I'm using substitution method in solving this simultaneous equation. From equation 1, I will make x or y the subject. Then if I'm making x the subject, I will have x is equal to 65 minus 1. Call this one equation 3. Substitute equation 3 into equation 2. That means anywhere I see x, I will put this value. In that case, I will have 5 into bracket 65 minus y. And then this minus 4y is equal to 55. 5 times 5 here is 25. 5 times 6 is 30 plus 2, that's 30. 30 plus 2, that's 32. Minus y, minus 5y. 5 times y is minus 5y. Minus 4y is equal to 55. Minus y, minus 5y minus y, that's minus 9y is equal to 55 minus 325. Then you have minus 9y should be equal to, this minus this is 0, 12. So you have 7, then 2. So you have 270. Dividing both sides by minus, so you have minus 270. Dividing both sides by minus 9, my y equal to minus 270 over minus 9. Minus and minus cancel. Y should be equal to this and this cancel, 30 degrees. Since y is equal to 30 degrees, to get my s, I will need to substitute y is equal to 30 degrees into equation 3 to get my x. So let me substitute it here. My equation 3 is x is equal to 65 minus y. So you have s is equal to 65 minus 30. Then s will be equal to 35 degrees. Therefore, our s is 35 degrees. Our y is 30 degrees. That's another example of cycle theorem. Thank you.